What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Florinda LaShay, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I am installing some faux locks. Right here is my braiding pattern. I did braid my edges individually, and the rest of them, I just cornrowed them straight back. Here's a look at the back of my hair. I connected all of the ones at the top into a zigzag, and along the nape, I did braid those individually as well and connected those to the larger braids. Here's a look at the hair. Today I'm going to install the Wavy Island 2-Time Gorgeous locks in 16 inches in the color 1B. They're lightweight, natural texture, easy to crochet, and they are pre-loop. They have the loose ends, girl. I am gonna be so cute. They also have a large loop at the top, which makes it easy to install. Each of the dreads is nice and springy. They have a nice springy, bouncy texture to it. And I also like the sheen on it. It's not too shiny. Okay, each bundle comes with 2 bundles. Well, each pack comes with 2 bundles. And it's easy to separate out of the pack. As always, honey, we're ready to install this hair. As you can see, the pre-loop is nice and big. It has a nice hole. You can open it. It stretches out really easily. I'm kind of playing around with it. It comes below my bra, and I'm 5'3" for reference. Now here's a look at one complete pack installed. I did use the brick layering method where I installed them, you know, spaced out, maybe 1 or 2 finger widths apart, to give me full coverage. And I'm working on the second pack. Bam, girl, we are all done. We are all done, looking fresh, looking slayed. I used a total of 4 packs, and it took me about 4 hours, I would say. 2 of those hours I spent actually braiding my hair down, girl, because I am a slow braider. And here I'm just showing you guys some different styles. I love it. Pull back. I braided my edges like this because my edges are super fine. So I wanted to try to alleviate as much tension. And my hair has a tendency to slip out around the edges. So if it does slip out, the rest of my braid is not compromised, which is why I braided it individually right along those edges. And here I'm just showing you where I kind of skip the space because baby, And here is the back side. It comes almost above my tailbone. Girl, yes, I love it. It is beautiful. And I'm doing a voiceover because I was kind of sick on this video. But make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this hair. If you tried this hair, if you like it. They come in a variety of different colors. They have the blonde, they have the red. I mean, baby girl. One of the most important things I also want to add is that you need to make sure you do really small braids along the front if you want to pull it up in different styles like I am. If you do large braids, it's not going to look as natural. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness.